Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to add text in Clipchamp. If you've been searching for a way to add text to a video in Clipchamp, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To add text to a video in Clipchamp, first of all, open Clipchamp on your computer and log into your account. Once Clipchamp is open, click on Create a new video to start a new project or open an existing one. Now, click on Text in the toolbar on the left side of the Clipchamp editor interface. Once you've accessed the text options, you'll see a variety of pre-designed titles, subtitles, and plain text elements. Drag and drop the chosen text style from the options onto your video timeline at the bottom of the editor. You can position it wherever you want it to appear in your video. After that, click on the text box you added to your timeline to enable the editing options. You can click on the text in the preview window to edit, move, and resize it. For further customization, click on the text in the right sidebar. From here, you can change the font family, style, size, color, and position of the text to suit your needs. You can also add fade-in and fade-out effects from here. Additionally, to add effects to your text, click on Effects on the right side and select one from the various options. If you want to add more text effects like typewriter text, pop-out, or scrolling text, you can add them from the text section on the right side of the screen. Here you will see many other styles and effects for text. Once you are satisfied with the text and the video, click on the Export button at the top right of the screen. By following these simple steps, you can easily add and customize text in your video using Clipchamp.